What's up everyone, Andy here, and if you're watching this video, then you'd better be ready for action. In this course, we are going to take the lobby that we made in Get Connected and use that to make a Smash-style fighting game. All you have to do is not fall out of the stage, but that's easier said than done because every time you get hit, that hit will knock you further. So, take one hit too many and you may find yourself flying to your doom. And the coolest part is, we're gonna go over making different types of fighters. So I'm gonna be showing you how you can keep adding more and more fighters into your game. So what are we waiting for? I'm Andy and this is Python CodaKid Smash.